Today on AFOL TV, we're talking police vehicles, and it starts right now. Okay guys, so I know we've done a few vehicle overview videos lately. We released our fire truck update video last week, and we released a general vehicle video about 3 weeks ago. In that video a few weeks ago, we featured one of our police SUV builds, and we had someone reach out on Instagram asking basically to see the full lineup in our full police fleet. So today, we're going to walk you through our entire fleet as it stands right now, and show you the differences between the different vehicles. So let's dive on in. Just as in real life, we have a few different categories of police vehicles. We have two versions of the police SUV, we have a police cruiser, and we recently came out with a police interceptor or trooper vehicle, which was actually inspired by the Lego 76903 set. All three vehicle types are different, and some even have variations in the same exact category. Not only that, but we also offer different designs on our website. For our city though, we went with the white and blue theme, which closely resembles that of New York City or the NYPD. Although our city is tropical and on a beach rather than a large city, we thought the white and blue made for a great look and overall just fits really well. And as you know, our city is named the Brickell District, so we branded all of our vehicles as BDPD for the Brickell District Police Department. So let's talk about each category. Starting with our first release, which has been out for a year now, our police cruiser is built to minifig scale, has 225 pieces, seats a minifig inside with a removable roof, and is a really smooth ride. The cruiser's length actually sits in between the Interceptor and the police SUV and maintains a really sleek profile. Next up is our latest release, which is the Interceptor. The Interceptor only has 219 pieces, all really easy and relatively inexpensive on Bricklink, and it's a bit shorter and more aerodynamic than the cruiser, while also featuring a removable top and space for the minifig. Again, this was an adaptation of the Lego 76903 set, and we just released it on our website. In fact, if you're still watching at this very moment, we're going to do a huge discount that only our subscribers will know about. So, the fact that you've made it this long in the video means that you have access to the code. You can download the instructions and part files on the Interceptor right now on our website for only $2 using this code. Just type in the code YouTube at checkout. The promo code will last for about 10 days from the posting of this video, and it knocks about $5 off the price, so you can get this for only $2. Another cool thing about this model is that after you download the instructions, you can actually further customize it like we have for our city by swapping out the wheel caps to make them all black, adding an antenna on the back by using just a simple bracket, and doing a few other things to make the car look even different and stand out. And finally, it's time to talk about our police SUVs. Initially, we released the first version over a year ago, and a lot of you guys have loved it, but we did have people reach out asking for a model with a newer windshield that Lego has created. So, enter version 2. It is essentially the same build with minor refinements and changes, but honestly, both seem to get downloaded at about the same rate, so we're still kind of unsure what the crowd favorite is. We use the older version in our past videos, but the newer version can be seen in our city streets. So let us know in the comments which one you guys actually like the best, because honestly, we're pretty curious. The SUVs have seating inside as well, and they offer a sleek profile just like the modern police SUVs you see in real life. We also have alternative designs on our websites for this one as well, and we even have what is technically version 3 out now with a taller body and new techniques for inverted trans-clear slopes. No, Lego does not make these naturally inverted like this. We use a special technique to flip them, and the whole thing is really secure. So you'd have to download the instructions to find out, but it's an exciting build. Our police fleet has been slowly growing within the city, and we plan to do a station down the road, but for now, it's just the vehicles. Make sure you're subscribed and following along so you don't miss any of the latest updates, especially our recent builds. A lot of them are getting really exciting, and we're loving all your guys' feedback and comments. It's been a lot of fun to follow along. That's it for today's video. Be sure to check us out on Instagram and TikTok, where you can see updates not always shared on YouTube. And we have another city update currently being planned. We hope to release it next month. It kind of just depends on when the pieces get shipped and when we have time to build. But that's it. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next video.